Morgan Titus, Sales Manager for the Greenville office for America's Home Place. We're out in the hot summer heat here looking at the outside of somebody's house. We're here to talk to you briefly about the foundation on this house. There's essentially three types of foundations. There's a crawl space foundation, there's a slab foundation, and there's a basement foundation. Behind me is the basement option. When you talk about basements, you can do block basements, poured wall basements, basements with web trusses, with I-joists, with 2x10, there's lots of options. But you'll be able to work with your building consultant to help you find the right fit for you. For crawl space foundations, that's kind of the main foundation for most houses in the United States. All of this depends on what your slope looks like on your land. And so depending on the slope, a basement might be best, a crawl space might be best, or even a slab might be best, that being suited for a very flat lot. Either way, we'll help you figure out what's best for you. We'll go out and visit your lot. We'll determine the exact slope. We'll go out there even if it's hot like it is today and help you figure out what's best for you and your foundation, help you get all the pricing and everything together. No matter what kind of foundation is, we're ready and suited to help you get it sorted out and to make the home exactly what you're looking for. I encourage you to go check out our website where you'll see all of our house plans. That's at americashomeplace.com, and we hope to see you again soon.